guys, welcome to Unicorns World. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a rainbow loom in a different way. You may have seen the last video where I taught you how to make a rainbow loom in a very loose way. And so today I'm going to teach you how to make a rainbow loom in a tighter way, like this, a fishtail. What you're going to need is some C or S clips and some rainbow looms. Start off. I'm going to take my rainbow looms, I'm going to take 3 and twist them all on my finger. Just like that. And I'm going to pull it up over my tail and off my finger, just like this with both of the sides. Now I'm going to pull my rainbow loom from the bottom, put my thumb inside, take my C or S clip, and hook it on. Now I'm going to take another rainbow loom, put it on top of our colors, loop the white over, and keep on repeating the steps. You don't need to use pink, teal, white, and purple. Like I just said, loop the white over, so that's what I was doing, but you can use whatever colors you want. Doesn't matter if they're neon, they're not neon red. Now when you're done, what you're going to do is basically take your rainbow loom and put both fingers in your hand, in the little rainbow loom. Then you're going to hook your S clip inside, just like that. And that's how you get your very own fishtail rainbow loom. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!